Welcome everybody to SlingIT, a real-world team-building activity. A group of colleagues from work will build a Sling 40SI airplane. Join us for the adventure. Saturday, November 9th, 2019 is the first real day of the build. As you can see, there is a lot of tools that are on the tables and need to be unboxed. Even the first kit with airplane parts could not be opened as there was primer on top and some other boxes. Steve was the first to arrive for helping out on day one. He helped out nailing the lower shelves, and at that time Tim arrived on the scene as well. With all these new people at the scene, Miana and Kovu, our two dogs, have to say hello as well. To protect the work tables, we add some butcher paper on top, cheap and easy to replace. A final wave from Miana, and ready to start unboxing the tools.
Good morning, guys.
Hey Tim, look what I got.
Nice. I got the same thing.
Let's see what it is. I can't wait.
The full unboxing movies will be published later for those interested in some fun. We unboxed two rivet guns, a cordless drill and a bench grinder. Next to arrive on the scene were Divya and Dan, who unboxed the laser leveler with tripod. Finally, the Dremel had to be opened, and Steve needed to get used to French again.
Outil rotatif haute performance.
At this point, we were fully ready to build an airplane. The first kit that I received from the airplane factory is called the empennage, or the tail of the aircraft. When opening the box, the first things we found were the general construction instructions and the construction manual for this specific kit. The construction manual is quite interesting, as it makes building an airplane look like putting a piece of IKEA furniture together. Other paperwork in the box is the packing list stating what should be found inside the box. It also defines our first job. It is unpacking each and every item and check it on the list. Luckily, Aditya and Swati came to the rescue, so we could split up in two teams for this part of the work. Except for some missing rivets, everything needed was in the box. Let's hope they get delivered by the time we need them. A first test of the airplane factory customer care. Time to start the construction of the horizontal stabilizer. Picking the parts, removing the plastic, washing and scuffing the parts, dimpling the needed holes, and finally deburr everything when needed. It's a time-consuming part of the build, but can easily be done in parallel. Something developers like, of course. So 7:30, day one, did quite some work and was an experience with the dimple machine. Livia, Tim, Steve, thank you.
Fill the logbook.
Yeah, the logbook.